Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to pay quarterly taxes as a self-employed individual online. If you are self-employed, the IRS generally requires you to pay estimated taxes quarterly. This covers your income tax, plus Social Security and Medicare, which together are known as self-employment tax. This system helps you avoid a large tax bill and potential penalties at the end of the tax year. You typically need to pay if you expect to owe at least $1,000 in tax. To begin, you'll need to estimate your income and expenses for the entire tax year. The IRS provides Form 1040-ES, Estimated Tax for Individuals, which is a helpful worksheet for this calculation. Consider your projected gross income, any deductions or credits, and your self-employment tax. It's a good idea to refer to your previous year's tax return as a starting point. Remember to adjust your estimates if your financial situation changes during the year. Once you've calculated your estimated tax, several convenient online options are available for payment. The IRS Direct Pay system is a free service that allows you to pay directly from your checking or savings account. Another popular choice is the Electronic Federal Tax Payment System, or EFTPS, which requires prior enrollment. You can also use a credit or debit card through approved third-party processors, though a small fee typically applies. Many tax software programs also integrate payment options. It's crucial to be aware of the quarterly payment deadlines to avoid penalties. Generally, these payments are due on April 15th, June 15th, September 15th, and January 15th of the following year. If a due date falls on a weekend or holiday, the deadline shifts to the next business day. Missing these deadlines or significantly underpaying can lead to penalties, even if you eventually receive a refund. However, you might avoid penalties if you owe less than $1,000 or meet specific safe harbor rules.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.